First and foremost, I just want to say thank you NewsCrypto for giving me the opportunity to make some great videos for you guys. I know that the world is really tough on us, especially that we are in pandemic, but it doesn't stop us from continuing our mission to educate our community about trading cryptocurrencies, analyzing the charts, DeFi, and so on. It's been 6 months that I've been doing creative videos like this. Hopefully this will continue for many months and years to come. I really appreciate what you guys been doing to make NewsCrypto evolve even further. Now, onto our main updates for this week, but before that, recently I got a new haircut. Yes, a new haircut. This is me earlier, and this is me right now. Ta-da! Do you like it? I personally like it. Feels like 2019, man. Missed wearing this hair color, by the way. Anyways, I hope you watched this video until the end. This is Jeff, aka Nomad Fury. Let's get it on. Right now, I'm going to show you what's going on with NewsCrypto this week. For sure, you'll find it really worth your time, but before that, be sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel to get all of the information you need regarding cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and DeFi. Plus, you can check out my social media channels right here or in my description below in this video. Anyways, let's get it on with the updates. I know you guys are aware about the recent hack on KuCoin in which they've lost approximately $150 million worth of cryptocurrencies. Lots of users there are affected, especially that NWC token is also traded there. But don't you worry, peeps, because of KuCoin's insurance fund, they can afford covering up the losses of those affected accounts. And the good thing is that NewsCrypto has completed the token swap on KuCoin. The devs assured that NWC is 100% safe and protecting its holders as well. And just today, guys, NWC deposits and withdrawals on KuCoin have finally been enabled back to normal, guys. And oh, here's another sick update. They're creating a fully automated AI bot called quAInt. In most platforms for crypto trading stuff, indicators are used only for processing historical data. Well, not anymore. quAInt is a state-of-the-art AI bot predicting near price term outcomes based on multi-model inputs, prescriptive and media network analysis, and of course, it's improving and evolving, which is powered by artificial intelligence. For me, crypto traders may find this very useful in their trading decisions. They've also released an educational guide on security checkups in order for the entire community to store their funds in a safe and secure way. It's a quick 7-page guide actually, but trust me peeps, it's really worth going through all of these pages as you may find it very useful. It only takes 5 minutes, by the way. Yeah, 5 minutes. If you're a crypto bounty hunter, NewsCrypto has an opportunity for all of us. In collaboration with blockfolio, they will be giving away $300 to 2 lucky winners, plus a sick bonus reward if NWC reach 4,000 followers. All you have to do is to like and retweet, click watch NWC in the blockfolio app, and provide screenshot proof. The link of all instructions of the bounty campaign is in the description of this video. Happy hunting, peeps! We all know how staking could give us more money in the long run by just locking up the funds to receive rewards. coingape has published a blog post about 3 of the best crypto staking coins for beginners, and NewsCrypto was included on their list. Trust me guys, this one's worth reading. The link of coingape's blog post is also found here on my video description. And finally, NewsCrypto has announced that they will be having a new platform integration by this weekend. Wanna know the clue? It's an industry leader payment gateway, and it's going to make purchases of cryptocurrencies easier for everyone. To be honest guys, I'm looking forward to this and we just have to be excited, man. So guys, what do you think about this week's NewsCrypto update? Do let me know by just leaving any reaction, feedback, or opinion in the comment section right here on my video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned something about this week's NewsCrypto updates. Kindly share this video to your crypto, blockchain, and DeFi friends and colleagues out there. For more videos regarding cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and DeFi, just simply click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell and follow me on my social media channels right here or in the description below my video. Once again, from my freaking home studio, this is Jeff, aka Nomad Fury, and see you guys on my next video.
brothers and sisters, all in all over 10 billion listeners. Lend me your ear when you want to hear the hypest and ripest sound of the year. Up and kiss the button, wave and pucker. Up and kiss the button, wave and pucker. Up and kiss the button, wave and pucker. Up and kiss the button, wave